Xinjiang is part of China, and China is a country with multiple ethnic groups. That sets the tone of the document, which states that the issue of Xinjiang is part of China's domestic affairs. Since the 13th century, the central government has set up provincial governance in the region. In 1949, the region was peacefully liberated. In 1955, the Xinjiang Uygur Autonomous Region was founded. The white paper says Xinjiang has never been East Turkestan. It adds separatist groups are trying to use the term as a political tool to break away from China. The document points out that 56 ethnic groups are living in the region with equality, unity, mutual help, and harmony. Each group is contributing to regional development. For China, Xinjiang has been a gateway to the outside world. Its regional culture is part of the Chinese civilization, and this includes literature, music, dance, and other art forms. Islam was not introduced to Xinjiang until the 9th century, and Islam is not the only belief system of Xinjiang's Uyghur ethnic group. Xinjiang has long seen a variety of religions coexist. Today, the Chinese government is committed to protecting its citizens' freedom of religious belief, while respecting and protecting religious culture. There are more than 24,000 religious sites in Xinjiang, with a staff of almost 30,000. Since the 1990s, terrorists, separatists, and religious extremists have committed a series of terrorist attacks, causing serious loss of life and damaging property. The white paper describes these forces as anti-human, anti-society, anti-civilization, and anti-religion. The Chinese government has combined international and local experiences to combat what it describes as the three evil forces. The goal is to safeguard social stability in Xinjiang and beyond.